Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, look up in the sky. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's me, the Einstein of Wall Street, from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Greatest financial institution in the world. The ceiling, the floor. Quarter for 250,000, 250,000, 3 ace. Take them. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. If you want to learn to trade futures, you're in the right place. David Green, my mentor, my teacher, my friend. Check it out, WSGTA.com. Then let's break down the markets here. Coming into the end of the month, all eyes are on the Fed meeting tomorrow. That's really going to be the catalyst on taking us higher or pulling us back, because we are trading a little bit of the dark. We do have some looming negativity going on. The dollar is sort of getting whacked. We do have a looming government shutdown once again. We're still reeling off of the last one, where we've been trading and driving blindly without the economic data we need to make the decisions. Tomorrow will be the day. I don't think we're going to get a raise or a cut. However, what the Fed chairman says in the press conference is going to be pivotal. So keep your eyes on that. We closed down 400 on the Dow, but we closed up 30 handles on the S&P, 49,000 in the Dow. We're just having trouble getting up to that elusive 50,000 number. However, we did get a smidge below 7,000 in the S&P, although we closed not at a record, but we did hit a record high intraday. Volume 1.1 billion, basically 50-50 on advance versus declines. Transports up, FANG up, REITs up, oil up, gold up, silver up. I mean, come on. There's nothing but green on that screen. It's a beautiful day to be trading this market. Look, there are a lot of moving parts. They are coming into the end of this month. Look, it's skittish at best with sort of a positive, sort of bullish, aura about it. Now, do we know what's going on? The market is not letting us get to these elusive numbers of Dow 50,000, S&P 7,000 as easy as we had hoped. I kind of thought we were going to forge our way through it, blast through it, but that's not the case. The market is making us work for those numbers. Earnings, not the best, right? We've had better earnings seasons before this one, so that's a little bit of a pullback. We do have this looming government shutdown once again, still reeling off of the last one. There's a lot going on that is preventing us from finding a directionality. Now, we know that as January goes, so does the year. I'm not a fan of seasonality, but that may be a little bit of something. Look, if the January ends positively, then historically, that means that the year is going to be a positive one. We're still in the midst of an interest rate cutting cycle, right? We know the Fed chair is going to go out and they're going to bring somebody in who's way more dovish, and we're going to continue the interest rate cutting cycle. If we get some clarity on that tomorrow, then I think this market will forge through and blast through. We're building a little bit of a base. We're hitting up against a little bit of resistance. These are the moving parts that make this market so incredible. If you don't like the weather in Boston, just wait a minute. I'm here, the Einstein of Wall Street, Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Check it out. There's a link in my bio. I love this place. We are honoring amazing people in history today. Go check it out, FIVERR, Fiverr on the tape. It's a beautiful day to be around. Check out this market. Giddy up. I love you. Einstein of Wall Street. I'm out of here.